Hi there, I'm Jason.
Hi, I'm Kelly.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
Hi, my name's Brian Fina.
Hi, my name's Caroline.
Hi, I'm Kiefer.
The core values at Echo, that's easy. Learn, share, grow, care.
To me, our value of learning means that we're open, we're curious, we're excited.
Our share value means to me that we share the knowledge that we internally have and our best practices in project management with our clients. We want them to be as efficient and as successful as they can in their projects.
Grow means to me that I always am pushing forward and looking ahead for more ways that I can develop. And
Caring means that our success as an organization is defined by the success of those around us.
I joined the team at Echo because everyone genuinely cares. It's in our DNA, and it's one of the reasons that Molly started the company.
What would you describe Echo? One word to describe Echo, Brooklyn.
It's kind and
We take the time to learn about what they actually need instead of just coming in and making blind recommendations without seeing the whole picture.
And they feel that you're there to help them and you're there to make them successful.
One word that I would use to describe Echo? Fearless.
A word that I can think of that describes Echo is inquisitive.
If I had to pick one word to describe Echo, I would say passionate.
Echo's different because when you need help you can get it. You don't just need to do it by yourself. Echo's different because my mom runs it.
For many a day that I felt like a cheerleader. You know, I that was part of my role, was to keep them motivated and keep them moving. It wasn't just project managing it, I was their supporter.
Yeah.
We really do meet folks where they are, working to solve problems that matter to them. There's no agenda other than helping people and businesses get out of their own way so they can do their best work.
It's a very good company.
All right, anything else, Tyler? We're all proud of you, Mommy, for 5 years.
Yeah! Oh yeah!
Built a great company. We're looking forward to accelerating.
Every client, company, organization that we work with are in different stages of their business, and there's no one size fits all approach. So we really want to make sure that we're meeting our clients where they're at, building solutions and creating processes for them that are going to work for them today and allow them to grow with them as well.
We really care about our clients. We care about our work and the quality of work, and we care about the impact that work has on our clients and on the world.